Hi, my name is Jonty. I'm a lawyer at Melbourne Law Studio, and I'm going to be answering some frequently asked questions about property division in Australia. The unsatisfactory answer is not necessarily. So it depends on the financial and non-financial contributions of each party. A financial contribution could be something like the money that's been put into the joint account from work and those sort of things, or it could be inheritances or something similar. Non-financial includes work around the house or domestic chores or helping with the kids. The thing is that it's so subjective, and that's why it's important to come and speak to a lawyer, because you may not know whether your contribution actually does mean anything. When we're asked about who gets to stay in the house, it usually depends on one, who has care of the children, and two, who has the financial means to do so. A lot of the time, if you're in an amicable separation, you can figure it out between you and your partner. But if there are instances where something is going wrong, that's when you should come and speak to us and figure out what we can do about it. There's actually quite an exhaustive list of things that you shouldn't do, but one of the main things that we would say would be at the top of the list is don't say anything that you can't take back. A lot of the time, emotions are running high. We say things that we can't take back, and a lot of the time we probably don't really mean them. Number two is making sure that we don't sign anything, and making sure that if there is something that we're concerned about, that we go and speak to a trusted advisor and get some advice on, because a lot of the time, if you sign something, it can't be taken back. And number three is do not touch financial assets and try to move them. The court will find out. This is something that's really important. We've seen it before, and the best thing to do is come and speak to us about what you can do before you get yourself in trouble. The first thing we do when we're talking about splitting property is taking the property that both you and your partner have and putting it into what's called a property pool. Some of the assets that may be include the family home, your car, your boat, your investment property over in Spain, all these sort of things, they're included, and we want to make sure that both parties are well aware of what's in the property pool, because financial disclosure is really important. Everyone's circumstances are different, and that's why we have a lot of resources on our page to make sure that you're well informed before you get in touch with us. If you're ready to speak to us now, book a free 15-minute consultation via our website, and one of our friendly lawyers will get in touch with you soon.